AI storytelling is exploding, and this app makes it so easy I had to test it. It's called Mootion, and it lets you turn plain text into animated videos with voices, scenes, lip sync, the works, in minutes. No editing background, no fancy setup, just your ideas typed out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Mootion works, the features that make it different, and how you can use it to create monetizable content on any device, including your phone. From creators and educators to marketers and side hustlers, this tool is changing the game. Let's dive in. Mootion is a powerful AI video creation tool that's already crossed over 2 million users. It's designed to help you turn plain text, audio, or even a URL into a high-quality animated video in minutes with zero editing experience. Whether you're a YouTuber, a digital marketer, or just starting your faceless channel, this tool takes the headache out of content creation. You just type, select a template, and it does the heavy lifting. It's perfect for explainer videos, social media storytelling, product promos, or even turning blog posts into video content, all in one place. And because Mootion is built with mobile creators in mind, you can generate and edit right from your phone or tablet without needing 5 different apps. It's beginner-friendly, ridiculously fast, and loaded with features designed to help you scale content and earn more. This isn't just another animation tool. It's a full content automation engine that's built for monetization. I'll show you how I used it to generate a video in under 5 minutes with voice, lip sync, and visuals included, all using just a basic script. Let me walk you through exactly how I created a full animated video using only Mootion, all from my phone. Step 1. Open Mootion and type or paste your script. You can also start with a voice note, upload a file, or even paste a link, and Mootion will generate a scene breakdown for you. Step 2. Choose a visual style or template. Mootion has hundreds designed for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, education, parenting, or storytelling. Whether you want a clean explainer vibe or something more animated and colorful, you'll find options that match your niche. Step 3. Add an AI avatar or character. This is where it gets fun. You can pick from their default characters or upload your own design. The avatar automatically lip syncs to your script, and the facial movements look surprisingly lifelike. Step 4. Use the built-in editor to tweak your layout, swap scenes, or adjust timing. This part feels more like Canva than a complicated timeline editor. You can move things around with just a few taps. Step 5. Once your video looks good, just export it. Mootion gives you a ready-to-post file optimized for YouTube, Shorts, or Reels. No extra editing needed. You could take this exact process, repeat it across multiple niches, and build out a full content pipeline with nothing but your phone. That's why it's so powerful. Speed, flexibility, and monetization baked into every step.
Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you.
What makes Mootion different from every other AI video tool I've tested is the all-in-one workflow. You don't need 5 different apps just to animate a character, edit a timeline, and export a decent video. With Mootion, you can generate, customize, and finalize content all in the same place. The AI avatars are especially impressive. They don't just lip sync, they match tone, emotion, and pacing. It works right out of the box without any third-party tools. There are also hundreds of smart templates built specifically for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and even educational explainers. So your videos always look native, not generic. Plus, it runs smoothly across mobile, tablet, and desktop, which is rare for an AI platform this advanced. And if you're multilingual or creating for a global audience, Mootion supports multiple languages right in the script input. You can literally generate a video in Spanish, French, or even Japanese without changing tools. That flexibility makes it ideal for creators who want to scale across multiple channels and markets fast. Now let's talk money, because this tool isn't just cool, it's built for profit. First, there's AdSense. You can easily create full-length faceless videos with strong retention by combining animated explainers, voiceover, and captions. This format works especially well in niches like storytelling, tech reviews, and tutorials, all known for high CPM. Then there's affiliate marketing. If you're showing viewers how to use Mootion or other tools in your workflow, you can earn commissions by dropping affiliate links in your description. You can also sell digital products like custom templates, avatar packs, or niche story scripts. Because Mootion is so easy to use, your audience is more likely to buy something they can plug into right away. Finally, there's content repurposing. One long-form video can be chopped into shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks, Pinterest pins, or even GIFs, giving you multiple streams of views, subs, and income from a single project. This kind of flexibility is what makes tools like Mootion perfect for turning creativity into a scalable business. Here's the part you don't want to miss. Mootion is offering 20% off during their launch, and this deal applies to all subscription tiers, whether you're just experimenting or ready to scale a content business. That discount helps you test things fast without committing big money up front. And honestly, after testing dozens of AI tools for this channel, this one stands out. Mootion is one of the fastest, most beginner-friendly platforms I've tried. It's got the clean workflow, flexible editing, and all-in-one setup that mobile creators need. Plus, the quality holds up whether you're publishing on YouTube, TikTok, or even pitching content to clients. If you're serious about making faceless, monetizable videos that don't take all day to edit, this is your chance to jump ahead of the curve. The link to the launch deal is below. And if you want more tools that help you grow with less effort and more revenue, subscribe to AI with Lotti. I've got even more hidden gems coming.